In this video, we're going to show you how to set up an abandoned cart recovery in ShopWired. If you've ever seen abandoned carts hurting your sales, you know just how crucial it is to capture those lost opportunities. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set it up, but also see if ShopWired is the right solution or if there's a better fit for your business. Let's dive straight into it. First, to set up abandoned cart recovery in ShopWired, you'll need to access your admin panel. Once there, go to the Marketing section in the navigation menu. Under this section, you'll find the option for Abandoned Cart Recovery. Click on that, and you're ready to start configuring. Next thing, you'll need to enable the Abandoned Cart Recovery feature. It's usually turned off by default, so you'll have to toggle it on. Don't worry, it's just one click and you're halfway there. Once you've done that, you can start setting up the details of your Abandoned Cart Recovery email. Now, for the third thing, let's talk about customizing your email template. ShopWired offers some basic templates, but you can also fully customize them to match your brand. You can add product images, personalize the message, and even include a discount or incentive to encourage customers to come back and complete their purchase. This is crucial for recovering sales, as a personalized, value-driven email is way more likely to get a response. The fourth thing you'll want to set is the timing of your abandoned cart emails. You can configure when the first email is sent and when follow-up emails should be triggered. Typically, a good approach is to send the first email 30 minutes after the cart is abandoned, and a second follow-up after 24 hours. However, you can adjust the timing to fit your business model. Next, you'll also have the option to choose which customer actions trigger an abandoned cart recovery. For example, you can choose to send an email if a customer adds an item to the cart but doesn't proceed to checkout, or if they abandon the checkout process itself. After setting up your emails, you'll want to test everything to make sure it works smoothly. Send test emails to yourself and review how they look on both desktop and mobile. Make sure that links are working and that the recovery offers are clear and appealing. Now, the big question, how does ShopWired compare to other platforms? While ShopWired does offer basic abandoned cart recovery features, it's a bit limited in comparison to some competitors. For instance, you might find that other platforms, like Shopify or BigCommerce, offer more advanced automation features, like personalized workflows, integrations with other tools, and enhanced reporting. If you're looking for a more robust solution with a greater level of customization and automation, you might want to consider these alternatives. The last thing I want to mention is that, while ShopWired provides a solid starting point for abandoned cart recovery, it's not the end-all be-all solution. There are other platforms out there that do a better job at streamlining the entire process and maximizing your recovery rates. So, before you make a decision, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you're interested in ShopWired, you can grab an extended free trial by using the link below. But I've also included some incredible alternatives that might work even better for your business goals. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can try them out risk-free and see if they fit your needs better. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.